This video will guide you through how to reboot your Android phone using two simple and reliable methods. Restarting your device is one of the easiest ways to fix minor issues like slow performance, unresponsive apps, or temporary system glitches. Step 1. Using the Quick Settings panel. This is the most convenient method when your phone screen is working normally and responsive. Start by swiping down from the top of your screen once or twice until the full Quick Settings panel appears. Depending on your Android version, you may need to swipe down again to expand all options. Look for the power icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and a small power menu will appear. From here, select the Restart option. Your phone may ask you to confirm your choice. Just tap Restart again. The device will automatically shut down and turn back on within a few seconds. Step 2. Using the side keys B buttons. This method is especially useful if your screen is frozen, lagging, or you simply prefer using physical buttons. Press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding them for a few seconds until the power menu appears on the screen. Once it shows up, tap the Restart option. If prompted, confirm by tapping Restart again. Your phone will now begin the reboot process. It will turn off completely and then start up fresh, which often helps resolve small software issues. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more easy Android tips and guides.